Sheet number 4. He said complete. Question number A. The product of two negative integers. Product of two negative integers. We can say negative 3 times negative 4 equals, we said before, positive times positive equals positive, and here negative times negative equals also it will be positive, and here positive times negative equals negative, and here negative times positive equals negative. Here if we have two sign similar, so the sign, the product, it will be positive. Here we have positive times positive, it will be also positive, and here the sign also similar, so here negative times negative equals positive. Here we have sign, these signs are different. Here we have positive and here negative, so the result must be negative, and here also we have negative times positive, so the result must be negative. Here we have negative 3 times negative 4, so result it will be positive 12. So here the product of two negative integers, the product it will be positive, or we can say like this, positive. Question number B. He said 17 times space equals negative 5 times 17. Here we have 17 on both sides, so we'll say 17 times negative 5. It will be the same result here. Question number C. He said negative, the absolute value of negative 2 equals space. Here we have negative. We said before absolute value, we will clean the sign here. Sign here must be positive, so here it will be 2. Final result it will be negative 2. Question number D. He said positive integers union the set of 0. Positive integers, we said before, positive integers equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Here he said also union the set of 0. He said union the set of 0. So here we will cancel and we can make adding, add also 0. So here it will be the set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's called natural number. So here positive integer union the set of 0, the final result it will be natural number. Question number E. He said 5 times negative 2. Here we have 5 positive times negative 2. Here we have negative. We said before positive times negative equals negative, so here positive times negative equals negative, and here 5 times 2 equals 10, so here we'll say 10. Question number 2. He said find the result of each of the following. Number A, 9 times negative 3. Question number B, he said negative 36 divided by negative 4. Here 8 plus negative 5, after that he said times 6. Question number D, he said 6 times negative 2 plus negative 7. We'll take number A. He said 9 times negative 3. Here sign, here 9 positive, and here negative 3. We said before positive times negative, so result must be negative. After that, we'll say 9 times 3. So 9 times 3 equals 27. So here, final result, it equals negative 27. Here we'll say negative 27. Question number B. He said negative 36 divided by negative 4. Here we have negative, and here also we have negative. And here negative divided negative, sign here are similar, so sign it will be positive. So we'll say 36 divided 4 equals 9. Here we will cancel negative together. So sign it will be positive. Question number C. He said 8 plus negative 5 all times 6. Here we have two operations. Here we have addition, and after that we have multiplication. We will plus negative 5, meaning here 8 minus 5, so result it will be 3. After that we'll say times 6. 3 times 6 equals 18. So final result here it will be 18. 8 plus negative 5 equals 3. After that we'll say 3 times 6 equals 18. And here, question number B, we have here it will be 9. Question number D. He said 6 times negative 2 plus negative 7. We must start by this operation. Here we have brackets, so we'll say negative 2 plus negative 7. Negative 2 plus negative 7 equals negative 9. Why? Here he lost 2 and also he lost 7. He lost 2 first, and here also he lost 7. So the sum of loss here equals negative 9. After that we can say 6 times negative 9 equals, here sign are different, here positive and here negative. So we'll say positive times negative equals negative, and 6 times 9 equals 54. So final result equals negative 54. Number D, 6 times negative 2 plus negative 7. So final result equals negative 54. Question number 3, he said use the probabilities of multiplication of integers to find each of the following. Question number A, he said 50 times 14 times 2. Here we can make commutative probability. What's the meaning of commutative probability? Here we have 50 and here 2. We can take 50 times 2. After that we'll say times 14. 50 times 2 equals 100, and here 100 times 14. We can say 100 times 14, we can write 14, and we will put 2 zeros in the other side. Here we have 2 zeros, so we'll put 2 zeros here in the other side. It will be 1400. Question number 2, he said 8 times negative 9 times 125 times 3. Here also we have 8 and 125. We can take it together. We can say 8 times 125. After that we can say times negative 9 times 3. We studied before in 1000. 1000 times, here we have negative 9 times 3, it will be negative 27. Finally, we can say 1000 times negative 27, so it will be negative 27,000. Question number B. He said use the distributive probability to find the result of each of the following. Here we have number 1. He said 3 times negative 2 plus 3 times 5. What we can do in this situation, we can see here we have 3 and here also 3 in both sides. Here we have 3 and here also we have 3. We can take a common factor here. We can take 3 and we can make like this. Here we take 3 and here also 3 together. Here. So here we can say negative 2 plus 5. 3 times negative 2 plus 5 equals 3. So here 3 times 3 equals 9. So finally here result it will be 9. Question number 2. He said 112 times 98 plus 112 times negative 97. Here where is the common elements? Here is 112 here and also here we have 112. We can take one of them. We can say 112 times open. What is the remainder here? Remainder here we have 98 plus negative 97. We must solve this first. Here we have 98 plus negative 97, so it can be 1. Here we can say 112 times 1 equals 112. So here result equals 9 and here result equals 112. Question number 4, he said use the distributive probability to find 54 times 101. Question number A. We have 54 times 101. We can like 54 times, we can write 101 like this. We can say 100 plus 1. So here we write 54 times 100 and also we can say 54 times 1. 54 times 100, it will be 54 and we write 2 zeros from right side, 5,400, and here we can say 54 times 1 equals 54. If we want to make addition, 0 plus 4 equals 4, 0 plus 5 equals 5, and here we write 54. So final result equals 5,454. Question number A, result it will be 5,454. Question number B, he said 73 times 99. Here we can write 73 times 99. We can write it as 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1 also it will be 99. After that we'll make times. We can say 73 times 100 minus, because here he said minus 73 times 1. 73 times 100 equals 73 hundredths, or we can say 7,300, minus 73 times 1 result equals 73. We can make minus here, we can write 7,300 minus 73. 0 minus 3 doesn't go, so we'll make borrow. We can try make borrow from 0, so we'll take from 3. 3 it will be 2, and here it will be 10. Borrow, it will be 9. And finally here we have 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 9 minus 7 equals 2. And here we write the remainder 2, 7. So final result equals 7,227. So here result equals 7,227. Question number 5. He said write using the listing method each of the following sets. Question number A. He said the set of integers greater than -3. We studied before, we have number line. We have number line like this. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. We prefer to use number line to find the solution. Here -2, -3, -4, and so on. Here -5, -6, and so on. Here is said number 1, the set of integers greater than -3. Here moving to greater than, and we're moving here less than. He said greater than, so move to right side. The number greater than -3, it will be -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and so on. So result of number 1 equals the set of -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And here he said number B, the set of integers, and here number B, he said the set of integer included between -4 and 2. He said included between -4 and 2. Where is the number included between -4 and 2? So it will be -3. We talk about integers. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1. So result it will be -3, -2, -1, 0, 1. Number B, he said use the probabilities of addition in integers to find. Question number A, he said 5 plus 4 plus -5. Here we have 5 and -5. Here they are similar, but here the sign are different. We can say 5 plus -5 plus 4. Here we make commutative probability. 5 plus -5, result it will be 0. 5 plus -5 equals 0. 0 plus 4 equals 4. So final result here it will be 4. Here number 2, question number 2, he said 45 plus 36 plus 55 plus 64. We can take 54 and here 55. We can take 54 plus 55 together. Here also make commutative probability. Here the result equals 45 plus 55 equals 5 plus 5 equals 10, 0 carry up 1, 1 plus 4 equals 5, 5 plus 5 equals 10. So result here equals 100 plus 4 plus 6 equals 10, 0 carry up 1, 1 plus 3 equals 4, 4 plus 6 equals 10. So result here equals 10 also. 100 plus 100 equals 200.